Hello, this is JJ Banning, and in this video I want to give you my review of GrooveFunnels and also show you a quick tutorial on how it works and how to set up your first funnel page. First of all, I would let you know that I'm probably like many of you. I'm not a tech savvy person by any means, nor am I some sort of a guru rock star. I've been on the internet for about 2 years now, and I learned how to make WordPress pages in the past, but which was a bit of a learning curve for me, and I was able to make a few web pages, but I found there's got to be an easier way to do it. And then someone introduced me to GrooveFunnels, so I signed up for the free membership initially to check it out. And what I liked about it, for signing up for the free membership, it gave me lifetime access, and I didn't have to put my credit card in either. So, but basically, here's what it gives you then. The basic light version, which is what I initially signed up with. You get actually you get free hosting with this. So if you have a domain name, you can actually change your name servers to point to the host, and they will actually host it for you. So you can eliminate any hosting fees with the free version. And you get 3 project sites, 3 funnels, and 3 custom domains with this. Basically, for the pro upgrade, it enables you to have unlimited project sites, unlimited pages, websites, funnels, royalty-free images. You get free SSL certificates. For anybody doing selling, you know what that means. That means a secured site for taking orders, that kind of thing. You can import funnels from other members. Basically, the lifetime access is $1,397, which, you know, sounds like a lot of money up front, but if you look at what you're getting, you no longer will have to pay any monthly fees for hosting, email autoresponders, funnel pages, and so on. And if you would happen to add up all those services, if you had been paying, then that could be adding up to hundreds of dollars every month for as long as you own your internet business. So in the long run, this $1,397 is pretty inexpensive for everything you're getting for a one-time lifetime access for this. And for those who don't have that kind of money right up front, you can, if you look down, you could do 3 easy payments of $497, or 6 payments of $288, or 12 payments of $188. And once you, let's say you did the $188 for 12 payments, once that's done, you're done forever. Now you no longer have to pay as long as you have an internet business going. But if you did pay the $1,397 up front, that gives you a savings of about 35%. To let you know that probably sometime in about August they're going to raise the price on this. So this is kind of a good time to at least get in with your free membership, so you can get access to this and check it out to start building your web pages and running your business. And what I did after about a week of the free membership, I went ahead and signed up for the unlimited access. Well, I realized it was a great deal to run my entire business. Plus, I found the support was outstanding, as there are members like myself that can help you with questions, whether you need to have help in making a page or marketing. As an affiliate, there's always somebody that's willing to support you, as well as myself. You can always send me an email, and I can do a chat with you, or even give you a phone call if you need some extra help there. So now let's get started on the tutorial. And at the end of this video tutorial, if you liked it, I would appreciate if you clicked on the like button and also the subscribe button, as I will be making more videos in the future. Okay, here I am in the GrooveFunnels dashboard, and there's a lot of different functions in here. There's the Groove Pages, which I'm going to show you the tutorial on how to make a page. And then you have Groove Sell, which allows you to sell any different products that you want in here, and you have the ability to take orders, that kind of thing. Groove Affiliate, where you get your links. You have Groove Mail, which is only with the upgraded version, that allows you to have your email autoresponders right in the GrooveFunnels section here. And then the members, and you're going to be able to create videos that you can post to YouTube with this. It's really kind of a nice service as well. So basically, instead of going through all these details, let me just go ahead and start out with the Groove Pages. I'll click on that, and here's the page that I already have set up here. And basically, I'll show you once I publish the page. It looks like this. And it's kind of a nice template that they had, and I kind of like customize it for myself. And pretty easy to do. Now let me go back and show you how you can do this. Basically, you go up to the top little pink button up here to the right. It says New Site. Click on that, and you can start out with a blank template, or you can click Templates. And as you can see, there are many templates in here. This is with the upgraded Pro version. You don't get all these templates with that, but the one template you get right now is the this one here that I made my first page with on the free version. And you click on that, it opens up, and you can see it starts out, and it's got like pretty easy to use. You can click like the text right here. You click on it, basically you just start typing, and over to the right it'll show the different, where you can size it. You can size it like this, real easy. You can do different left, right, centers. You can do transparencies with it. You can set borders with it. You can create drop shadows, change the color of text, that sort of thing. And then this is the image. That's where you can change that image. For now, the guy that's in this image right here, I just left it alone because I didn't want my mugshot in there. But anyway, if you wanted to do that, you could click on it, and up here to the right, not under design, there's design and configure. Configure is where you upload different things, like an image right here. You click on image, and let's say I want to select this gentleman here. Hit select, and then update, and there it changes the picture. And it's real easy. If you decide you make a mistake and you don't like that, just right up the top here, there's a little kind of a little button right here. You click on that and undoes it all. And then here where you can, it's kind of the header up here, you can change that header. It's got different elements down below. You click on elements and go down here, and you've got different navigation bars where you can put, see how you can just drag and drop it, and you can then click on this and then upload your own logo, or click on this button. You can change that, and you can configure that with a link to, like you link it to your affiliate link, or you can put your Facebook page and link it to that. And for now, let's go ahead, and if you want to remove this, like I said, you can always just undo it right there. And then let's say I wanted to take this section out here. You click on it, highlight it, and it's the green bar around it. Right in the center is the trash can. Click that, confirm it, and I got rid of that. And then you scroll down, and then you've got different pictures here. You click on each picture. If you want to change it, come over to the right, click configure, choose an image, and let's say I want to add this image right here. It highlights it in the box, hit select, update, and it's that easy. And you can change so many functions in this thing. And down here you got testimonials. So let's say you want to change the testimonial. You can click on blocks, and all these blocks are different functions here. So like right down here you got testimonials. You open that up, and then you've got, drag it in there. Now you've got a new different layout look for testimonials. See how easy that was? Like I say, you don't like that, hit undo. And on each of these testimonials, especially when you're starting out, you don't have any testimonial, you can go ahead and contact me, and I'll give you some testimonials you can actually add to your web page there. And like I said, you got different blocks here. You can put footers, you can put forms in here. There's a form you can add with a different type of email look. I didn't care for that one, so let's take it out there. Let's see, covers is kind of a neat feature. You scroll down. Scroll down, let's say I want to drag a cover up here. Now I got a different cover. See how easy that was? You can go ahead and undo that. And I would just suggest that, this is kind of a quick tutorial. I'm not going through every little feature here, but it's got so many different elements you can add to this page and make it really, to spiff it up and make it look good. And so that's it for the tutorial on this. And I would recommend go ahead and sign up for the free account here. and I'll show you where that's at. You click on my link and it's going to take you to the free account here. No credit card needed. Go ahead and sign up for an account, get your free access, lifetime access, and like I said, you're going to get your account for life, your Groove Pages funnel builder, Groove Sell, and Groove Affiliate, and then play around with it, and then see how you like it and get back to me. And then if you decide you want to upgrade, you let me know and I can help you out. I've got a way that you can help market with your affiliate link to get people to sign up under you, and if you do, you can you only need about a couple of sales to pretty much about pay for the whole cost of the program for the pro upgrade. So that's it for now, and stay tuned for my next tutorial video.